Hi all, we Group 1 Problem Hunters are here to introduce some interesting curves that are mentioned in our textbook. They are Lissajous curve, Cassini oval and butterfly curve. First one, Lissajous curves. A Lissajous curve is also known as Lissajous figure or Bowditch curve is a graph of a system of which describe complex harmonic motion. This family of curves was first investigated by Nathaniel Bowditch in 1815 and later in more detail in 1857 by Julius Anton Lissajous. They are the shapes created when the x-coordinate of a curve is described by one sine wave and the y-coordinate is described by another sine wave. By adjusting the frequency of each wave, the phase between them and their relative amplitudes, interesting patterns emerge. Equation. Each Lissajous curve can be described with an algebraic equation. Because its parameter A is equal to the tangent of the Lissajous curve's parameter B. When A is even, B equal to 0 and when A is odd, B equal to pi by 2. Parametric equation. X equal to A sine AT plus phi and y equal to b sine bt, where x and y are coordinates on a plane, t is the parameter, a and b are the amplitudes and small a and small b are the angular frequencies. Phi is the phase angle. Application. Lissajous curves have been used in various engineering applications such as optics, imaging, antenna scan, machining as well as mobile robotics. Examples of Lissajous curves.
The second one, Cassini ovals. A Cassini oval is quadratic plane curve defined as a set of points in the plane such that the product of the distance to two fixed points is constant. This may be contrasted with an ellipse for which the sum if the distance is constant rather than the product. Cassini ovals are the special case of polynomial Leibniz scales when the polynomial used has degree 2. Cassini ovals are named after the astronomer Giano Domenico Cassini when studied them in 1618. Cassini believed that the sun travels around the earth on one of the ovals with the earth at one focus of the oval. Other names include Cassini ovals, Cassinian curve and ovals of Cassini. Applications. Besides being a model for the orbit of planets, Cassini curves are also used in various scientific applications such as nuclear physics, bioscience, aquatics, etc. Its unique properties and miraculous geometrical profile make it a superior tool to utilize in diverse fields for military and commercial purposes. equations. If the foci are a0 and minus a0, then the equation of the curve is x minus a the whole square plus y square into x plus a the whole square plus y square is equal to b raised to 4. When expanded, this becomes x square plus y square the whole square minus 2a square into x square minus y square plus a raised to 4 is equal to b raised to 4. The equivalent polar equation is r raised to 4 minus 2a square r square cos 2 theta is equal to b raised to 4 minus a raised to 4.
Third one, butterfly curves. The butterfly curve is a transcendental plane curve discovered by Temple H. Fayette University of Southern Mississippi in 1989. Properties: the periodicity, symmetry, and the internal area formed by the butterfly curve, as well as the perimeter, will be shown numerically with high accuracy using mathematics. Although the numerical values have 28 significant digits of accuracy, they are displayed up to 12 significant digits, as can be seen in ordinary portable calculators. Equations: the curve is given by the following parametric equations: x equal to sin t e raised to cos t minus 2 cos 4t minus sin raised to 5t by 12, y equal to cos t e raised to cos t minus 2 cos 4t minus sin raised to 5t by 12, where 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 12 pi. Or it can also be represented by the polar equation r equal to e raised to sin theta minus 2 cos 4 theta plus sin raised to 5 2 theta minus pi by 24. The butterfly curve has a single singularity with delta invariant 3, which means it is a curve of genus 7. The only plane curves of genus 7 are singular, since 7 is not a triangular number and the minimum degree for such a curve is 6. The area of the algebraic butterfly curve is given by the following equation, and its arc length is represented by the letter S, where S approximately equal to 9.017. In mathematics, the algebraic butterfly curve is a plane algebraic curve of degree 6. It is given by the equation x raised to 6 plus y raised to 6 is equal to x square. Examples of butterfly curves:
Now let us look at an interesting fact about parametric curve. That is, the advantages of expressing a curve parametrically rather than in the form y is equal to f of x. One of the advantages of parametric equation is that they can be used to graph curves that are not functions, like the unit circle. Another advantage of parametric equation is that the parameter can be used to represent something useful and therefore provide us with additional information about the graph. For some curves, we may not be able to find a formula for f of x, so the parametric form may be our only option. For example, for the curve x is equal to t plus e raised to t and y is equal to t, there is no elementary function f such that y is equal to f of x. Even if we can find a formula for f of x, the parameter form may provide more information. For example, if the curve is the path traced by a moving object, then expressing x and y in terms of time tell us about where the object is at the given time, whereas y is equal to f of x does not.